Hello everyone, I got my second review for my web design agency. So in a month I got two reviews. I actually didn't expect that. I thought I would need 2 or 3 months to get at least 1 or 2, 3 reviews, but here we are. In a month we got two reviews, and I'm very happy for this, and they are really saying good things about me. I'm very happy with their words, and also I'm very happy that I satisfied them with my work. You can see here they are really saying good things, and these are genuine reviews. I have worked for them, and for the past 20 or 25 days I'm working for them, and they're really happy with my work, so they actually gave me a wonderful review. So I'm very happy. I'm very hopeful for the future. I think good things will come, and wish me luck. So that's it in this video. I will see you in another video.